Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 BMW X7 M50i in carbon black with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 8,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature controls, heated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, third row seating, power liftgate, 4.4-liter turbocharged V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 85848.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.